Hi, myself Giver Prasad. I am from Hyderabad. I am part of alternative medicine previously, but without confidence, without knowledge, I am just doing the part-time some treatments like assistance of somebody. I have done lot of researchers to find alternative medicine in a proper way to address the issues at the same time treatments. After lot of researchers, I found ACS and I done taken 7 days course here alternative medicine like a master diploma alternative medicine. In almost 8-9 therapies I have taken. Now I am very happy and I'm with very knowledgeable to treat any patient with a confidence till cure with the help of Mr. Amit sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the part of in my life, and I'm very I'm very happy person to be the part of ACL.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your bright future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.